I have all my choreography set. I am ready to, for lack of a better word, I'm ready to put them, I'm doing it. I get there, competitive cyclists, competitive athletes, actors, grandmother, great-grandmother, knee replacement, hip replacement. Now, what do I do? How am I going to teach the same choreography because I can't change it? How do I teach it? And that's when I started figuring out progressions and regressions. I came from the step one.
Drill. How many of you know what drill is? Drill has been around since the beginning of time in fitness. Stands for direction, rhythm change, interval, and then lever length. So these are the things that we can add to any of the 7 moves to progress or regress it. This is another one that's from the clean pages of the ACE manual that people make. This is what I want you to think of. The goal when you teach a class, even if you're in the water, you can think of all of these. Think of the plane of movement, where you're moving with your squat, where you're moving with your lunge. Think of the rhythm, how fast or how slow, right? Think of your interval. Time is always on your side. You can always add timer to something, and it increases the need for direction, rhythm, or lever length change. Hands and legs, those are the only levers you really have to lift, so I can't really add another one unless you lift your head, but then that's something totally different. And then the length, the sky is the limit. I don't care whether that hand leaves this way, leaves that way, or reaches that way. Same thing with the leg. When we move that, it becomes exponentially greater.